after 2 painful hours of driving with the all Izmir transportation system, we have finally arrived here to Bergama, the city of ruins, the city of the first paper and the first church of all Anatolia. And now we're going to go to Acropolis to see if it can stand side by side with Ephesus, and we're gonna do it by teleferic. So keep on watching. I'm out. Our misfortune has already begun. The teleferic price is 35 liras both ways. If you're a student, only 20, and Macarena managed to pay less with her volunteering card, the card that I have never ever managed to use here in Turkey. So this is the teleferic. Okay. Thank you. We entered. This is my first time.
Your first time?
Yeah. I don't usually go to any mountains or anything that involves effort.
Oh, it's so windy.
Don't tell. I'm a little bit afraid of this. I'm also. It was a bad idea not to put a bra. Okay, now we are looking outside in this beautiful, very, very dry area. I mean, it will always be a mystery to me why all these ancient civilizations really like this dry areas. Maybe because of the olives, probably. I might puke.
And they built this place, and they built this, I don't know, the water thing to keep the water to produce electricity. And because of that, some historical places now it's underwater. And we did it in southeast part of Turkey, on Hasankeyf. It's great.
We have arrived to the top of the ancient city where Acropolis used to be. We paid a lot of money, and we hope that this trend is not going to continue for later adventures. Ah, you bought a music card?
Yeah.
What is a music card? Explain to us.
It's a card that you can use it in the museums in Turkey, and you just pay it once and you can use it almost all museums.
I'm going to kill you. You paid it as a student.
Yes, because I'm student.
So just so when I started to lose my hope that the things that we found here aren't gonna satisfy our historical needs, we have discovered how to get to the theater. So the view from here is very impressive. How do you comment what we found so far? Ancient.
Beautiful and windy.
Fresh. Well, I really wouldn't call it fresh. Okay, and now off to the theater. I'm just waiting for some wild Greeks to appear. Yes.
And now I will be the first.
I'm gonna record my way out. Yoo-hoo! And now we are looking at Macarena trying to climb down these stairs. How are you doing, Macarena? Now we're sitting here in the theater under the tree. I feel like a shepherd with my own goats. Actually, I saw some goat poop over there. So this place is still active somehow. And one goat is over there trying to get down.
Welcome, Macarena.
Welcome, Macarena. Very careful! It's goat poop. You managed. But now that you have but now that you have managed to climb down these 1000 stairs of Bergama, what would you say? How different it is from Ephesus, and what is better and what is worse in comparison with it? Musil, that's for you.
I don't know, like I think Ephesus is much more
Well structured.
yeah,
Probably.
protected maybe.
Mm-hmm.
It's more popular also.
Yeah, it's also more popular. Maybe they advertise it better. The thing is, it's not so, there are not so many tourists, so you can enjoy.
Too hard for pictures.
Yeah. but and also it's so windy. I think now in Ephesus people are burning.
Yes, yes. In my opinion, both historical sites have their own special things that differentiate them. For example, Ephesus is better preserved and more tourist friendly, so it's a nice experience to go there. And Bergamo on the other side is so much less popular that you can feel peaceful and relaxed here once you reach the top. Is it good?
Yeah.
Macarena, you are very tired.
No, don't make of me when I'm almost dying.
I'm so happy that I can discover Bergama with you.
I'm also so happy. This place is so high, and maybe Macarena is feeling bad because of that. But for me, I am so happy that I'm here, because when I was standing in the theater, I felt like I'm Greek. I felt like I'm a goddess, you know.